Hi foodies, welcome back to Amma's cooking recipes. Today we are preparing a sesame bar. It's a tilki chikki. We are preparing with black sesame. Normally we know the sesame has so many health benefits, but in black sesame seeds will increase the health benefits more. Especially for hair and skin, black sesame seeds will help more. It's very good and tasty nutritious bar. Without fail, we will prepare this recipe. Let's get into the recipe. Here in a chopper, I just adding some ghee. Instead of ghee, we can add the oil also. Just apply the ghee nicely. I just applying the ghee in the roller also. Make sure apply all over the bird. Here I just applying for roller also. Keep it aside. In a kadai I just adding 2 cups of black sesame seeds. In a low flame I just frying the sesame seeds nicely. Just mix continuously. Make sure you use the fresh and cleaned sesame seeds only. See, here our sesame seeds are fried nicely. Let it cool and keep it aside. Now in a kadai, I just adding 2 cups of jaggery. In the same cup I use it for til, is a sesame. For 2 cups of jaggery, I just adding 2 tablespoons of water. That's it. Just mix well. Melt the jaggery nicely. Here our flame is low flame. Here our jaggery is melted nicely. Now I will put the flame is medium flame. And I just continuously mix the jaggery. Here I just adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to give a good flavor and some elaichi powder. Just mix well. Once we'll check this jaggery syrup. We need a hard jaggery syrup for this chikki. Every 2 minutes we need to check the jaggery syrup. Again I just checking. Continuously mix the jaggery syrup. See how it sounds. In this way we need to prepare our jaggery syrup. Now I just switch off the flame and just mixing nicely with the til. Make sure to mix the til nicely. Sesame seeds. Now I will transfer into the board. Already we applied the ghee. Just spread evenly with the help of the roller. Slowly roll the chikki. Don't give more pressure. See, in this way slowly roll the chikki. How much thin we want, we can roll it. We prepare the jaggery syrup perfectly, so no need to worry. Apply the ghee to the knife also and just give the cuts. Don't cut this, just give the cutting shape. Once it cool down, it automatically cuts nicely. In this way. I just left over batter. I just made some balls also. Let it cool for 2 hours. Completely 2 hours is over. See, nicely it came out. And just we will cut these pieces. With free hand we can cut the pieces nicely. No need to worry. See how easily you're cutting the pieces. After cutting the pieces also, we will leave like this for 2 to 3 hours. Then our chicky will be simply tasty and crunchy. Make sure to leave this chicky 2 more hours. See, healthy and tasty and quickly we prepared this chicky recipe. Approximately it takes 10 minutes only, and it's too healthy. Try to make this recipe. It's especially for black sesame seeds, is good for hair and skin. It's traditionally prepared for my grandmother. If you like my recipe, don't forget like, share, subscribe and comment. Do try this recipe. Thanks for watching.